Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Unice coming to you today with another video, girl. So today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I install this frontal wig. This frontal wig is from Unice Hair, guys. It is so bomb. Look, it's curly, it's colorful, it's everything. It's giving everything summer, okay? It's giving everything summer for the girls, all right? I did not have to bleach the knots or anything, guys. This is the color. Like I said, this is the I'm not really sure exactly what the color is called. I think it's like an auburn color, but the length will be in the description box below. Everything about this wig will be in the description box below, and I want to thank Unice Hair for sponsoring this tutorial, guys. I didn't use any glue. I just used a little bit of the Got To Be Glue cream, guys. Y'all know that is my baby, okay? I do not wear my wigs for long periods of time. I wear my wigs for occasions, so I do not wear them for a long time, so I don't really care about the glue. But you guys can definitely use glue when it comes to this wig. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a hug, and we're just gonna go ahead and jump into this video. And yeah, you don't know already, we do give hugs around this mug. All right, so without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into this video. What's up, guys? So you already know what I am doing today. I am installing this wig from Unice Hair. I'm going to use a Ruby Kisses. I'm not going to use any cream. I'm going to use a powder today, and I'm going to use a powder that is a little bit darker than me, and that is the powder that I'm going to use today. That is the powder that I'm going to use under the wig, okay? Right now, I'm just going to put a little bit of mousse on my edges so that way it breaks up that hard Got To Be glue that I had to lay my edges down and swoop them things, okay? So I put that mousse, Alpha G mousse, and that broke up that baby hair at the front. Then I brushed everything into two ponytails, guys. I do still have my tape-in extensions on inside installed, but this is how you know, guys, you can have a wig over the tape-in extensions, because tape-in extensions last over a month. So if you want another style, you know, while you have those tape-in extensions, then go ahead and just install a wig like I'm doing. So I'm just braiding in two cornrows, and then I'm going to put a nude cap over it just to kind of hold it together. I'm going to flip both of them on each top of each other and get them as flat as I can. And like I said, I'm going to use a nude cap. So I'm not going to use that cap to kind of camouflage as a scalp. I'm just using that cap really to hold the back of my hair down. So I'm going to slide that cap to the middle, and then I'm going to brush my edges back with the Got To Be Glue cream and just make sure that everything is brushed back and no edges will be harmed in the making of this video, okay? So yeah, guys, that's all I'm doing, just kind of smoothing the edges inside of the cap, smoothing the edges back and flat, and it's going to dry on its own. It doesn't take that long to dry.
Watch me through the square, I don't even see you out there.
All right, so here is the wig. It is like a ginger auburn color. It's a deep curly or kinky curly. I don't know exactly, you know, what it is, but like I said, everything will be in the description box below. And yeah, so all I'm doing is putting that powder I was telling you guys about at the beginning onto the inside of that lace, just to kind of camouflage that lace, because the lace did have kind of like a pinky tone. I guess whenever they like dyed the wig, it kind of came off on the lace, which is fine. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to install that wig onto my head and make sure that it fits properly. I think I did have the wig a little too tight. The strap's too tight in the back. So I ended up loosening the straps, and then I put the wig back on, and yeah, put the wig back on, and that's what I'm doing. So right here, I'm just going to cut the sides, the side ear tabs off, so that way the wig can fit properly on both sides. And then I'm going to start like kind of cutting the slits and kind of just getting everything prepared for the wig. But like I said, right now I'm just customizing the size of the wig. All right, guys, after I do that, I'm going to cut a couple slits in the front just to make sure that it's easier for me to maintain the wig or kind of like install the wig. So I cut those slits, so I'm going to kind of fold those slits back. And I Got To Be Glue cream that I put under the wig where my edges are, that is what I'm kind of going to use to adhere. If it's not enough, it's not sticky, you can put some more, or you can put some Got To Be Glue spray. But any type of adhesive is fine, guys. Honestly, to just be honest, any type of adhesive is fine. I'm only going to keep this wig on for like a couple days, and I'm going to take it off. So yeah, I'm going to use that Gatsby glue cream, as you guys can see, like I was just stating. Do just one thin layer, guys, and I'm going to do both sides and then literally just put the wig on, press that wig in with that edge brush, and then yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to tie the edges down a little bit, you know, just so it can melt really, really well.
Make it hard to share. Tell me you're real out there. So used to all the fun, and then you're gone. You don't know the care. You forget I'm there. You don't know.
All right, y'all. So once everything was tied down, I took it off, and now I'm just gonna cut the excess lace off. Once I cut the extra lace off, I am going to kind of peel apart like the front, some hair in the front, and I'm going to braid that out the way. Just gonna be some of the baby hairs, but mostly just to kind of melt everything down. I'm going to use the Gatsby glue spray it on the edges, and then tie it down again with the Unice band that came with the wig inside of the wig kit.
Tell me what's your love, make me feel right. Your skin on my skin brings me to life. Yeah, you got me hooked, I don't wanna fight it. Stay for the night, make love and get high. Feeling for the feeling only you provide. Every kiss is like a hit and you're my favorite type. Leave a key under the mat, you pour the drinks, I'll bring the second after that. Make love and get high. Make love and get high.
All right, y'all. So once that is done, guys, and drying and doing what it needs to do and melting, I'm going to part where I'm going to have the wig parted, which is down the middle, and then I'm going to wet the hair really, really good with water. After I do that, I'm going to use the Afro Haunted leave-in conditioner. I'm going to apply a generous amount of this leave-in conditioner onto the hair, so that way it kind of defines the curls, gets it soft, and gets it laid and moisturized. And that is what I'm using right there. Yeah, guys, and do not forget to use a paddle brush, okay? Don't forget to use a paddle brush when it comes to defining the curls. A paddle brush, a dimming brush, any type of brush with those type of bristles, so that way everything is kind of can flow the way it needs to flow. So once everything is dried, I take that band off, and then I'm going to put a little bit of Got2b glue spray on the front of my hair and just kind of mold it back with my hands with the blow dryer, so that way the front and all that can be flat and lay flush to the scalp, so that way it doesn't look like thick and bumpy. Now I'm just going to style how I'm going to style it. So I just really honestly want 2 twists on the side, nothing too crazy, just 2 flat twists on the side, and have them combined in the back with a rubber band. And I'm just going to literally style the baby hairs, cut them and style them with the Got2b glue cream with a little bit of that foam mixed together, so that way it's still movable and not too hard. And yeah, guys, super simple. And if you need to put a little bit more color on the lace, just use that same color from that Ruby Kisses palette. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, everything about this wig will be in the description box below. Love you guys so much. Bye.